build Android app with just one prompt. Okay, and I'm going to show you how. So as you can see from here, Gemini has successfully built my Android app for me with a custom app icon. Okay, so as you can see from here, this is the Android app folder, and then among it you see that we have everything that I need, and it is complete. Okay, and it's completely awesome, and I'm going to show you how you can do the exact same thing. So first, what you need is that you have to install anti-gravity on your system. If you don't have it already, I have a full video on how to download and then install it. Okay, so after download and then installing it, open it, and then from here you have to come and then set the model type to Gemini 3 Pro High. Okay, this one, that is what we are going to use to build our Android app. Okay, and then come and then create a folder on your desktop. So you right click, you come to new, then come and then click on folder, and come and name the folder the name of your app. So mine is birthday day calculator, just like this. Okay, so after naming it, what you have to do is simply come here to the anti-gravity, and then we have to open the folder. Okay, so to do that, simply come here to where you have the file, come and then click on the file, and then come here to where we have open folder, and come and click on the open folder. So when you click on it, come and then select the folder that we have just created and then name, and then simply come here to where we have select folder, and then come and click on it to select it. So over here, it is going to ask you to trust the folder. Okay, so to do that, come and then click on yes, trust the authors. Okay, so when you click on it, that is it. It is going to be load. So you have to give it moment to load your folder for you. And as you can see from here, it has successfully loaded the folder, and then we are now within the folder. Okay, so when you look at the top left hand corner from here, you see that we are within our folder. That is our app folder, and that is it. Now we can go ahead and then give Gemini the golden prompt to build our app. So this is the golden prompt. Okay, so over here you can see that act as an expert Android developer, and I need you to build a complete error-free Android app that is ready to sync and then build in Android Studio. So I have this prompt pinned in the video comment down below. That is the comment section. Copy, come and then paste it right here. That is all you need. That is the golden prompt that you need. And then come and then click on the send. Okay. So over here, Gemini is going to receive it, and then Gemini is going to give us something called, that is the app request form. So as you can see, Gemini is giving us the app request form below, and all that you have to do is simply copy it and then fill it. Okay, so over here, when you come down here, so when you scroll down, you see that we have the Android app request form. This is all that we need. Okay, all that you have to do is simply copy what Gemini has given to you. Okay, then you just fill it. So from here, simply come and then highlight it from the top to the bottom, and then come and then put the mouse on it after highlighting everything just like this. Just come and then right click on it. Okay, after right clicking on this, simply come and then click on the copy, and that is it. It has been copied. Now that we have copied it, simply open Notepad from your system, and then come and then paste everything inside the Notepad just like this. So now you have to come and then fill the name. Okay, that is the app name, just the name of your app, and then the app package name. You can leave it just like that. Gemini is going to pick one based on your app name, and then the app icon description. Just describe how you want your icon to be. Okay, you just have to be specific. And then the key features, that is what your app does. Okay, what is your app about? What is your app going to do? What problem is your app going to solve? Just describe them, the future 1, 2, and 3. You can add as many as you want. Just be specific. Then the design preference over here. How do you want your app to be? How do you want your app to look like? Come and then design it. Write everything about it. And then the target audience to who is your app for. Okay, just fill everything as specific as you can, then highlight everything after you have filled it, and then come and then paste everything right here by simply pasting it. So when you fill the form, that is the app request form, then you come and then paste it inside the chat just like this, and then simply come and then click on send. Okay, So after sending it, Gemini is going to receive everything, okay, that you have sent, and then Gemini is going to create what we call an implementation plan. Okay, so as you can see, Gemini has created an implementation plan. That is what your app is about. So this is the implementation plan. You have to take your time and then read it. It describes what your app is about, everything that you just gave Gemini, and Gemini will give you what your app is about from start to finish. That you have to take your time and then read it. Okay, and then when you scroll down here, you see that we also have our assets here. That is the IC launcher, everything that we need to build our Android app. Gemini has given it inside the implementation plan. Okay, so you have to review it. And after reviewing it, simply come and then click on the proceed so that Gemini can move ahead and then create your Android app for you. So as you can see, Gemini has created the app icon. So this is my app icon as I describe it, and I love it. And then over here, you have to simply come and then accept it. Okay, so when you click on accept, so after accepting it, Gemini is going to go ahead and then continue building your Android app for you. So anytime Gemini asks you anything inside the command line, you have to accept it. Okay, so just like this, you have to come and then click on accept so that Gemini can move ahead and then keep building your Android app for you. So as you can see from here, Gemini has successfully created the full Android Studio project for us. Okay, so as you can see, Gemini has now created everything inside the folder. Okay, and then it is now ready to be synced. Gemini has also created the custom app icon as well. Okay, and everything is inside the walkthrough. Okay, so over here, as you can see from our folder, we have everything right here. Okay, we have our app, we have everything inside the app, we have the SRC. So when you come and then you click over here, when you click on the SRC, you see that we have our Java, we have our REST, we have our Android manifest. Everything has been created and it is awesome. Okay, this blows my mind. Okay, so it is awesome with just one prompt. All that you have to do is simply come and then click on accept all, and that is it. We now have our complete Android project, and then now what you have to do is that you have to save it. Okay, so when you come here to files and then you come here to where we have the save workspace, simply come and then click on save workspace, as we have to save it so that we don't lose our project. Okay, and then come and choose where you want to save your project. And then from here, over here, you see that we have the file name. I'm simply going to add up to it so that it will not conflict with my folder name. Okay, so and then over here the save type, I'm simply going to leave it as code workspace, and then simply come and then click on the save. Okay, so we have successfully saved our project, and then we can simply come here and come and click on close to close it. So when you open the folder, you see that inside the folder we have everything that we need to build our APK. Okay, and then to build your APK, all that you have to do is simply sync it in Android Studio and then just hit on build, and that is it. And I have a full complete video on my channel on how to build the APK, so watch that next.